Welcome to Phonics Unit 30, Day 3. We are continuing to work on the consonants C and G when they have the soft sound, or the C sounding like S and the G sounding like J. We're going to begin by listening to our book, Circus in the City. As I'm reading it, I want you to notice some C words and G words that have the S and J sound in them. Circus in the City by Mickey Durango. Jerry and Cindy went to the city to see the circus. They saw gigantic towers in the city. They got something to eat at the circus. Cindy got chips for 75 cents. Jerry got a ginger ale for 50 cents. Then a man came into the center ring. He said the circus was about to start. Cindy clapped when the girl with gems in her hair did a hard trick on the swing. Jerry clapped when the clowns came in on a giant bike. When they left the city, Cindy said, "I like this circus a lot." Jerry said, "Me too." I hope you noticed some C words that had the S sound, like center, sense, Cindy, circus, and city. Notice that after the C are the vowels E and I. That gives you a hint that the C is going to make the S sound. I hope you noticed the G words as well that make the J sound. Cherry, giant, gigantic, and ginger. Notice again that those G's are followed by the letters E and I, which give you a hint that those G's are going to make the J sound. I hope you also noticed the sight words about, into, and they. Okay, everyone, arms up. Let's sound out our words. First one. Ch, a, nj, change. That silent E is making the A say A. It's long, it says its name, and it's also helping the G have the J sound. S, I, N, ch, cinch. Notice that I is helping the C make the S sound. Okay, next one. R, I, s, rice. Again, that silent E is helping the I say its name, I, it's long, and also helping the C sound like S. All right, next word. J, e, n, t, gent. We're going to practice spelling 2 words today, 2 of our spelling words. So the first one is huge. So the first sound in huge is h, h, h. That's made with the letter H. U. So I hear the letter U. Huge. That's J sound is made with the letter G. And that silent E helps to make that U long, and also the G sound like J. Huge. All right, we're going to practice spelling another one of our spelling words. So let me erase this. Okay. And the word is face. Face. So the first sound I hear is F. It's made with the letter F. And I hear F, A, A. So that's made with the letter A. Face. That sound is made with the letter C. And then that silent E, this chew jobs, it helps the A long say its name, A, S, and it helps the C make the S sound, face. So today, I want you to practice your spelling words either by going to Spelling City and playing some games, or you can get on Headsprout and do an episode of Headsprout. All right, talk to you next time.